Hello, thank you for joining me. So what I'd like to show you in this video is how to modify a wall or how to define a wall structure. The book calls it defining wall structure. And what we're going to be doing is just defining a wall. We're going to be putting components into a wall that's going to define that specific wall. So part of the requirements of this assignment is to have you draw a wall, a custom wall. First of all, you're going to do the book wall, the way it was done in the book, and I've already done that. And that wall that's in the book that begins on page 104, it's called Basic Wall Interior Partition to our 8-inch SCT 60. What that reads is an interior wall. It's a partition wall which goes from one room to another. It's got a 2-hour fire rating on it. It's 8 inches thick. And it's got an STC 60 rating on it. And that's a sound transmission class, I believe it's called. And 60 is the class number on that. So it's a fairly well sound insulated wall, and it's a very specific wall for interior applications. So you're going to be modeling that from the book. What I'd like to do, just to show you how to demonstrate the wall editing function, I'm going to go ahead and create that 4.5-inch wall that we created both in AutoCAD and in class a couple days in class. It's going to consist of the 3.5-inch 2x4 on the inside with a 1/2-inch drywall on either side of that. So let's get started. The way you do that is you go to the wall button, and I think I have the basic 8-inch wall. Just draw something like that out. Part of the requirements of this is to make sure that your wall is on the north end of your dream house, which it is in my model, and just draw that thing out. Click on that wall, go to Edit Type. And the first thing you want to do here with this dialog box is you want to duplicate it. You don't want to rewrite over an existing wall and just have that 8-inch generic wall like disappear on you. You'd have to recreate it later. So what you do is you duplicate that, and that's fairly common in Revit. You want to do a lot of duplicating if you're going to create a different wall type or a roof type or a floor type. Go to Duplicate, and we're going to call that Interior. Try to follow the similar naming format that they have in already existing in Revit. So I believe it's interior and then space and then dash and then space. Give a thickness of the wall, which is going to be 4-1 divided by 2-inch. And then kind of describe the wall a little bit. You might describe the components of the wall, maybe from the exterior to the interior. This wall is going to be symmetric, so what I'm going to do is type in DW for drywall, and then dash, and then structure, perhaps, and then dash, and then DW again for a wall second time, and then go to OK. Okay, next step, go to Edit. You want to edit the structure, and if you don't have this preview here, click on the preview button. That'll bring that preview out and kind of show you what you're looking at. Right now we just have like a basic wall here, nothing special to it, and we're going to go ahead and make changes to that. So join me for the next video and we'll go a little bit further into detail on this.